Welcome back to Fix It Dubai. Today, we're showcasing the top 30 light color paints for your house in 2024. Light colors are trending this year for their ability to make spaces feel bigger, brighter, and more modern. Let's jump into the top picks. That's it for today's video. We hope you got plenty of inspiration for your next painting project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fix It Dubai for more design tips and ideas. See you next time.